Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are bringing you along in a day in a life in this beautiful island of Phuket, Thailand. Get ready for a day filled with fun, shopping, and amazing places that this tropical paradise has to offer. Of course, we are starting the day off with some donuts. So I'm stopping to get a fresh coconut. We saw this on the street, but...
Oh, yeah.
So this coconut is 35 baht, which is so cool, so good. The coconuts are super refreshing here, especially when they just cut it in front of you. Yeah, the mangoes. Mangoes are really fresh here and really good here as well. 35 baht is about maybe like $1 Canadian. So they're super cheap and they're so refreshing and so good.
How is it?
It's so good. So refreshing, like, I don't know how to explain this, but fresh coconut water is like, it's just so refreshing. Like sometimes even better than water, but it's so good. So now we're just gonna be looking in a couple of shops around the Karen Beach area. And we did find this little shop right here, so I'll take you in and show you what's in there.
Yes, please. So I ended up getting this for my buddy Slim as a gag gift because he always wears this kind of stuff. So just see if he enjoys it.
How much is 200 baht?
It's like $7. I mean, that for a gag gift's pretty funny.
We just got back to our hotel and they have the petting zoo open, so that's what we're going to do. It's right behind us. I'll take you with us. So this is probably my favorite guy in the petting zoo. He's so cute and he's so sweet. Look at his tongue. scissors for the chickens. Oh.
So we just got back to our hotel and it is pouring rain. So I think we're just gonna go down, see what excursions we're gonna do for the rest of our time here in Karen, Patong area. And then because once we go up to Macau, it's like going up to the airport. So it's super difficult to get back here.
So we're at Central Phuket Mall. Our phone died, so that's why we didn't film anything. But this is what we got. So one thing about Thailand that we noticed is that all the malls have like a visitor discount or like a coupon that you get, and you just have to go to the information booth. So at Central Mall, we got a 50 baht coupon for like the food court downstairs, which is like basically one meal. We got oops,
Just a bunch of like pamphlets.
and a SIM card for 1 day, unlimited data, which is awesome. And then we got this tourist card, and you can use it it's only at certain stores, but 50% off to 5% off and 6% off.
VAT refund.
Yeah, but this is like basically at certain stores. It tells you on the back. And then like, yeah, a bunch of coupons
If you're spending money.
if you're spending that much. And they said that if you spend, like every time you spend money here, to bring your receipt to the tourist, or to the information center, and you can get like stuff for it. So like we saw one lady like just showed her receipt and she got like a coconut candle thing, which is awesome. But yeah, so now we're having some lunch. I got salmon, curry and rice, and a cheese curry. So yeah.
If you need a power bank, you can always get it at the information desk. And that's what we did because our phones died. But luckily they had one and you just leave something with them. So what did you leave?
My driver's license, but I probably shouldn't show it on camera because that has personal information.
How many do you have? What are you getting?
I don't know, 3 of these. Okay, what do you think?